Welcome. In front of me is a REALME C35, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, you will need to grab one of these things, which is a SIM eject tool. It comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there. Additionally, you can use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well as this little thing. Anyway, once you have one of them, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone, right here, as you can see. Push the pin in, the tray pops out just a little bit, enough for you to grab it, take it out, and on here you can insert a single SD card and 2 SIM cards. Now I'll be using just a single SIM card, so that's what I'm going to occupy. When it comes on the SIM, you can place it on either one of the trays. You don't need to place it on a specific one. Both of them will work just fine. Anyway, from here, let's insert it back into our phone. And the cards should start working immediately, which you can see right here that they already have. So it tells me to put in my SIM pin. And that unlocks my SIM card, so obviously SIM card is working, and I can already see the notification right here about the SD card. So both of them are working just fine. And that is how you can insert it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.